and welcome to another video. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Tamara and I definitely am a bit of a vitamin C lover slash addict. I love a good Hermes haul. I love to watch them. I think I probably watched every single one on YouTube, and hence I also love to deliver them to you guys. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to it, especially if you will love watching sort of like luxury fashion, travel, lifestyle, all that sort of stuff. We are right now at the beginning of the year, which means that fashion weeks will be approaching soon, and when that happens, my inevitable visit to Paris always happens. So the week of haute couture just finished. It was quite eventful, and I actually did not even intend on popping to Hermes store just because I kind of feel like at the moment I have pretty much everything that I want, well, except a few things, but the few things that I want I'm kind of waiting for. So anyway, long story short, one afternoon I had a little bit of spare time and I was like, where should I go? Well, to Hermes, of course. So as you can see, it was quite a successful visit because behind me I got way more than I even thought I would. If you are an Hermes lover and you don't know how to get a bag for yourself, I actually have written a blog post on this topic, and I even filmed videos explaining the system. In Paris specifically, I find the system to be the best because it's not a wish list sort of system. It's obviously like their flagship boutique is on Faubourg Saint-Honoré, which is where I shopped, and that is where you can get an online appointment. If you apply, you have to apply with your name, phone number, passport number, then you send all of those informations. I personally advise you to do it like first thing in the morning, and then when you get an appointment, you always apply the day for the next day. I've explained everything in another video of mine, but just kind of giving you a little bit of info. When you get an appointment, it's an appointment with a leather specialist, so specifically for a handbag. Then at Hermes, as you guys know, we have two quota bags, which are Birkin and Kelly, and then everything else you can get as many as you wish. You can get, I don't know, like Constances, etc. So I obviously will try and find whatever I show you and link it in the description box below if you also want to check it out, including what I'm wearing today, because I love this so freaking much. So let's start. Okay, let's start with a little box. I got a box of chocolates, which is so unfortunate because I know that these chocolates are so delicious, but I'm not eating sweets every year from the New Year's Eve until my birthday, which is on 16th of March. So I hope that I'll either give it to my boyfriend or it'll just have to wait. First things first. Let's see what I got over here. Obviously there's a bag, but I got 3 pairs of shoes. These happened very spontaneous. They are sort of like a rubber sandals. As you can see, fully rubber, and I really liked these because I thought that they were just like, they're like the latest collection, spring summer. They come in a few different colors and they're so inexpensive, like for a sort of like a Hermes sandal. I think this is something perfect because I don't have many sandals for like pool or the beach. I have like one rubber slides, but everything else is either leather or is like, you know, I have like one rubber pair of Chanel grandpa slippers, you know, the grandpa kind of sandals, but I don't have like a flip-flop or something that would be perfect for a poolside or beach. And I know you might be thinking it's January, who's buying this kind of footwear in January? But I am, because I know that by the time it's summer, this is not going to be available, and I already have like everything else that I wanted from Hermes, including the both like clogs and the boots, etc. So I was like, you know what, after the fashion month, which is finishing on 8th of March, I wanted to go somewhere warm because I love it and I'm a sun seeker. So what I want to do is I want to already have my sandal story done. And how beautiful is this color? So stunning. In fact, I love it so much that I got it in another color. And like I said, these are really not expensive. Like they, you know, they're rubber, so Hermes like usually prices their leather higher, but I decided to get the black pair as well because I thought this was super chic. This is more like my fun, you know, fun pair, and this is more like a very chic, to the point where I think that this you can even wear in the evenings. Maybe not when you go like to a special restaurants or like, you know, to a special restaurant or a club or something like that. But if you are like, you know, going, I don't know, if you're like in Santorini and you just want to go for a walk, why not wear this with like a little dress and a cute little black mini Kelly? It's actually quite cute and I'm very happy. I think these were around 200 euros, which I think for the brand itself is a really, really good price. So yeah, those are actually not the first things that I got. Funny enough, I hope this is, yeah, I'm pretty sure. The third box, yes, the third box is the first thing that I came for. And again, I'm gonna tell you, my boyfriend hates this, but I mean, I wear what I want to wear, he wears what he wants to wear, you know, that's the beauty of a healthy relationship. And at first I tried them on and I was like, you know what, this is what I really, really like. And it's actually, believe it or not, my first ever pair of Oran sandal. Well, no, I have shearling. I have a black shearling pair of Oran sandals. So it's not the first pair, but it's first like classic pair, because all the other sandals that I have from Hermes are with the heel. I have the Oasis. Basically, they look the same, but they have a little heel. And these are the Oran in this beautiful color called Vert something, which I find so strange because they're clearly blue. But anyway, just to compare the difference, these are a little bit darker, these are a little bit lighter, but overall I would not wear them for the same occasion. This is more like wet situation and this is more like city, so not like a pool. You know, I wouldn't wear these sandals to the pool. They have like a beautiful Epsom leather. I really, really love the color so much that I actually would love to have a bag in this color. And then once I got this, the lady was like, let me just show you the new rubber shoes that I have. When I saw them, I was like, pack them both. I love them both. They're insane. So I ended up getting 3 pairs of shoes at Hermes. And actually, when I got the turquoise, I was like, you know what? The next color that I would like to have would be like this like light blue. So I asked for a handbag appointment, and since I just recently got a Kelly bag, I was like, okay, I'm gonna ask for something that is not a quarter bag. Yes, you heard it well. So I was like, you know what? I wouldn't mind having a Constance in this color. That would be quite nice, right? Like, I don't actually have anything in this type of vibe. And yeah, I mean, summer is coming. It's apparently like 8 weeks until it's spring. 7 weeks. 7 weeks until spring. That makes me so happy, you know? So we're getting there, I'm getting ready. And the lady was so nice. They were actually extremely understaffed on the day. And, you know, I just said like, listen, I'm not gonna be greedy. What I'm actually after is a Constance. I don't want to like ask for a quarter bag. I was very honest and I just said things how it is. She came back with something so beautiful that I was like, wow, absolutely, absolutely shocked. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to unbox this because really it is something that you will love when you see. Now you know what to do. You need to pause the video and leave a comment below telling me what you think it is. Let me give you a hint. It's something that I really, it's something similar to what I've had before. So, trust my boyfriend to call me at the best time. Now you'll know what to do. Pause the video and let me know what you think it is. It's something that I had quite similar before, but never had this specific thing. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, let's see. Let's reveal. Let's see. Obviously, inside of the box, there is the raincoat and all of that stuff with the bag. And then the bag itself is so beautiful. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I present you Her Majesty Birkin 25 in Cellier, Epsom leather, and this is color Nata. For you guys who are new to this channel, my apartment got broken into in July 2021 and pretty much all of my collection except the bag I was wearing got stolen, including a Birkin 30 in Epsom in Cray. I really love Cray. I thought it was a beautiful color, but I think I prefer Nata even more. I don't know. This is with gold hardware. That bag was with rose gold hardware, but I think the difference is so minor. I'll take off the protecting layer so I can show you the bag. Now this is a Cellier Birkin and you guys know it's like a new thing to Hermes. And I really like it because, let me just make it a little bit darker so you guys can see better. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better because obviously the light keeps changing since I'm right in front of the windows, which are it's quite cloudy and sunny, etc. I absolutely love it. I think it's a stunning bag, and even look at this. Look at this outfit with this Valentino knit. I think it's so beautiful. So yesterday when I went to the shop, I'll insert a picture if I can find it. I wore this white suit, and then when the lady brought it over, I was like, oh my God, this matches my bag, my look so perfectly. I love it. So I absolutely had to have it. It obviously comes with a clochette, which is inside of the bag, which is basically the key and the lock. I never tend to wear this, especially because I find, especially on lighter bags, because I don't know, like I find it that it can leave the mark. I've seen it before happen to some of my friends, and I think it weighs the bag down a little bit. So, you know, I already have a Birkin 25 in gold with palladium hardware, which is one of my favorite bags that I have. It was in my most worn items and best purchases of 2021, but I think this beauty is so stunning. I'll show you. Hopefully you can see it as well better. Obviously with Cellier, you know that the stitching is outside, the bag is more pronounced. It's kind of like resembles Kelly a little bit more because of the way that, for me personally, Kelly, Epsom, Cellier is my favorite combo. I had a Kelly 25 Capucine return, and for some reason I realized that return is not a Kelly for me. I do have now a Kelly 32 return, and I love it very much because when it's a big bag, it makes more sense. It's like softer, it's kind of like a day bag, it looks very cool. But I find it like for the smaller bags, I prefer Cellier. For Birkins, I think it's okay, but it's quite nice to have a Cellier Birkin as well, especially in Epsom. my cray was in Epsom as well. So yeah, that's basically it. This is the bag. Did I show you everything that I got? Well, yeah, that is it. So 3 pairs of shoes and the bag, and I mean, I can't believe how lucky I got, especially now. Like, how beautiful is this combo for the summer? I really want to go, and I have plans to go somewhere warm, like I said, after Fashion Week, so I'll make sure to bring this along. I'm gonna take the plastic from the hardware immediately. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you like watching videos like this. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!